Hello everyone and welcome back to the Military Facts channel. In the dynamic landscape of modern warfare, the B-21 Raider emerges as a cutting-edge symbol of stealth and precision. Designed to succeed the legendary B-2 Spirit, this next-generation strategic bomber embodies the pinnacle of aerospace engineering and technological innovation. However, behind its sleek silhouette lies a realm of intricate systems and capabilities that define its prowess on the battlefield. In this article, we delve into the workings of the B-21 Raider, shedding light on its operational mechanisms and stealth features, stealth technology, concealment at its core. At the heart of the B-21 Raider's design lies its stealth technology, which renders it virtually undetectable to enemy radar systems. Unlike its predecessors, the B-21 employs advanced techniques to minimize its radar cross-section, including optimized shaping, radar-absorbent materials, and innovative coatings. This meticulous attention to stealth ensures that the aircraft can penetrate deep into hostile territory with minimal risk of detection, allowing it to deliver its payload with unprecedented precision and effectiveness. Advanced avionics and sensor fusion. Beyond its stealth capabilities, the B-21 Raider is equipped with a suite of advanced avionics and sensors that enable it to navigate and operate in contested airspace with unparalleled situational awareness. Featuring cutting-edge radar systems, electro-optical sensors, and state-of-the-art communication suites, the aircraft can identify and track targets with precision, even in the most challenging environments. Moreover, its sensor fusion capabilities allow it to integrate data from multiple sources, providing its crew with a comprehensive picture of the battlefield and enabling rapid decision-making in real time. Long-range strike capability. One of the defining features of the B-21 Raider is its long-range strike capability, which allows it to deliver precision-guided munitions to targets anywhere in the world with minimal support. Equipped with advanced engines and fuel-efficient design, the aircraft boasts an extended range that surpasses its predecessors, enabling it to conduct missions deep into enemy territory without the need for aerial refueling. This strategic reach, coupled with its stealth capabilities, positions the B-21 as a formidable force projection tool and a critical asset in modern warfare scenarios. Next-generation propulsion. The B-21 Raider is powered by a state-of-the-art propulsion system that combines efficiency with stealth. While specifics about its engines remain classified, it is widely speculated that the aircraft utilizes advanced turbofan engines optimized for both performance and reduced signature. These engines are engineered to minimize infrared emissions and acoustic signatures, further enhancing the aircraft's stealth capabilities while ensuring optimal operational efficiency. In conclusion, the B-21 Raider represents a paradigm shift in the realm of strategic bombing, leveraging advanced technology and stealth capabilities to redefine the modern battlefield. From its stealthy design and advanced avionics to its long-range strike capability and next-generation propulsion, every aspect of the B-21 is tailored to ensure its success in the face of evolving threats. As it prepares to take its place on the front lines of national defense, the B-21 Raider stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of innovation and excellence that drives progress in aerospace engineering and military technology.